Your phone is dirtier than a toilet seat, and you touch it over 2,000 times every single day. I'm about to show you exactly what's living on your device right now, and it's going to change how you see that screen forever. Think about your morning routine. You grab your phone from the nightstand, scroll through social media in bed, take it to the bathroom, use it while eating breakfast, and that's just the first hour of your day. By lunchtime, your phone has collected bacteria from every surface you've encountered. Scientists have discovered that the average smartphone carries 10 times more bacteria than most toilet seats. We're talking about serious stuff here. Staphylococcus, Streptococcus, and even E. coli have been found thriving on phone screens. These aren't just harmless microbes either. Some of these bacteria can cause skin infections, food poisoning, and respiratory problems. Here's where it gets really gross. Your phone's warm surface and the oils from your skin create the perfect breeding ground for germs. Every time you put your phone down on a restaurant table, bathroom counter, or gym equipment, you're picking up new passengers. Then you press that contaminated screen directly against your face during phone calls. The situation gets worse when you consider how rarely people actually clean their phones. Studies show that less than 20% of smartphone users clean their devices daily. Meanwhile, we're constantly transferring bacteria from our phones to our faces, mouths, and food. But here's the thing that really shocked researchers. Your phone doesn't just collect germs from the outside world, it actually becomes a mobile petri dish that helps bacteria multiply. The heat generated by your phone's processor, combined with the moisture from your hands and face, creates ideal conditions for bacterial growth. Different parts of your phone harbor different types of contamination. The screen obviously gets the most attention, but the charging port, headphone jack, and phone case edges are actually the dirtiest areas. These spots rarely get cleaned and provide perfect hiding places for germs to accumulate. Now, for the good news. Cleaning your phone is actually simple and takes less than 2 minutes. Use a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Avoid harsh chemicals like bleach or ammonia that can damage your screen's coating. Clean your phone at least once daily, and always after using it in particularly germ-filled environments like hospitals or public transportation. Some people have started using UV sanitizers, but experts say good old-fashioned alcohol wipes are just as effective and much cheaper. The key is consistency. Make phone cleaning part of your daily routine, just like brushing your teeth. Your phone is an extension of your hand in today's world. Keeping it clean isn't just about the device itself. It's about protecting your health and the health of everyone around you. So grab that cleaning cloth and give your phone the deep clean it desperately needs.